Most veterans think graduating debt-free is only possible if you have the perfect GI Bill benefits or get lucky with scholarships. But we've helped thousands of veterans graduate completely debt-free using a formula that combines multiple funding sources. At Lakewood University, 99.2% of our veterans graduate debt-free because we know exactly how to stack GI Bill benefits with transfer credits, employer assistance, and programs like WIOA funding that most veterans don't even know exist. So in this video, I'm going to show you the complete debt-free formula that works for almost any veteran, regardless of how much GI Bill you have left. Let's be real, most veterans end up graduating with debt, and it's usually because of one big mistake, relying only on the GI Bill. Now, don't get me wrong, the GI Bill is an incredible benefit, but there's a problem. A lot of schools tack on extra fees, or they charge more than the GI Bill actually covers. So even though you thought your tuition was fully paid, you're suddenly stuck with out-of-pocket costs. Another thing, veterans miss out on employer tuition assistance. So many companies, especially the ones that want to attract and keep veterans, offer this as a benefit, but a lot of us never even ask about it. That's literal free money left on the table that could be the covered gap. And here's the last one, transfer credit. Too many veterans just accept whatever a university tells them and end up paying for classes they don't even need. The truth is, your military training should count towards your degree. If you don't push for those credits, you're basically paying twice for the same education. Bottom line, the GI Bill is powerful, but it's not enough on its own in many cases. To graduate truly debt-free, you've got to combine your benefits, maximize employer tuition programs, and fight for every transfer credit you've earned. All right, let's talk about maximizing your GI Bill, because that is where a lot of money gets left on the table. Step one is benefit verification. Before you start classes, you need to confirm exactly what your GI Bill covers and which chapter you qualify for. Each chapter has different perks, and the one you're under could mean thousands of dollars in difference. Don't just assume, get it verified so you know you're squeezing every dollar out of your benefits. Step two is timing. Your housing allowance and your book stipend are tied directly to when you start. If you're stuck waiting for the traditional semester schedule, you could miss out on months of payment. But if your school lets you start on any Monday, like we do, that means you're maximizing your benefits week after week. The timing literally puts more money in your pocket. And step three is proper certification. This part is huge. If your classes aren't certified correctly with the VA, you can get hit with surprise costs and watch your benefits drain faster than expected. Making sure every course is certified the right way protects your funding and keeps you debt-free. Bottom line, verify your benefits, start at the right time, and double check that your classes are certified. That's how you make sure every dollar of your GI Bill is working for you. By the way, if you want us to create your complete debt-free funding plan using all these sources, click the first link below to speak with our admissions team who can evaluate your transfer credits and coordinate all of your funding options. Here's one of the biggest money savers most veterans don't take advantage of: transfer credits. Your military experience can literally save thousands of dollars off your degree or certificate. It starts with your JST, or your Joint Services Transcript. That's basically a record of your military training, and when it's evaluated, those courses can translate into college credit. Most schools accept these through ACE recommendations, the same one civilian schools use. So all that training you already completed, it counts. The key is to get your credit evaluation done before you enroll. Why? Because it saves you months of benefits and shortens your program time. Otherwise, you risk using up your GI Bill on classes you didn't even need in the first place. And don't forget, if you've taken any college courses before the military, those combined with your JST credits, stack them together, and suddenly you've cut down your degree requirements in a big way. Less classes, less costs, and more benefits left in your pocket. Bottom line, let your service and past course work for you. Transferring those credits can be the difference between graduating with debt or walking away 100% debt-free. Now let's talk about a benefit that too many veterans overlook: employer tuition assistance. A lot of companies, especially the bigger ones, ones offer this as a way to attract and keep veteran employees. It's basically free money set aside to help you finish your education. Here's the good news. You don't have to choose between your employer's program and your GI Bill. You can actually stack them. The trick is coordination. Employer tuition assistance usually pays the school directly, while your GI Bill covers tuition, housing, and books. If you set it up correctly, the two don't conflict. Instead, they work together to cover all of your costs and stretch your GI Bill even further. This process is pretty straightforward, but timing matters. Typically, you'll apply through your HR benefits portal, get an approval, and then the school invoices your employer for their part. Once that's in place, you certify the rest through the VA. Doing both at the same time ensures nothing falls through the cracks and you maximize every dollar. Bottom line, don't leave employer benefits sitting on the table. When you stack them with your GI Bill, you're not just cutting costs, you're creating a clear path to graduating 100% debt-free. Now here's a funding program most veterans have never even heard of: the Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act, or WIOA. WIOA funding was designed to help people, especially veterans, transition into high-demand careers. Think healthcare, IT, project management, business operations, fields where employers are actively hiring and need trained workers. The best part? This money doesn't touch your GI Bill. It's a separate stream of funding that can cover career-focused programs while you save your GI Bill for a degree or another certificate later on. So what kind of programs qualify? Typically, short-term certifications or training programs that lead directly to jobs. For example, medical billing, medical coding, paralegal, IT support, project management certifications, or even mediation programs. These are fast-track options that get you into your career quickly without draining your VA benefit. The application process is pretty straightforward, but does take a little preparation. You usually go through your local workforce center, meet with a career advisor, and show that you're transitioning into civilian employment. Veterans often get priority access, which means you can be approved faster than the general public. Once approved, WIOA pays the school directly, and you walk away with training that positions you for a solid civilian career. Bottom line, don't overlook WIOA. When you combine it with your GI Bill, employer tuition assistance, and transfer credits, it's another powerful tool to keep you on track to graduate 100% debt-free. The veterans graduating debt-free combine every funding source available to them. Your education doesn't have to cost you a penny if you know how to stack benefits, credits, and funding programs the right way. Don't be the veteran who pays out of pocket because you didn't know about funding sources you were entitled to use. Now, if you want us to help you create your complete debt-free funding plan, click the link below to speak with our admissions team, and I'll see you in the next video.